Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your Infiniti QX50 tire pressure sensor. First, ensure all your tires, including the spare, are inflated to the manufacturer's recommended pressure, typically found on a sticker inside your driver's side door jamb. Sometimes, simply correcting the tire pressure will turn off the warning light. After adjusting, drive your vehicle for about 10 minutes at speeds above 16 miles per hour to allow the sensors to register the new pressure. If the light persists, your QX50 might have a manual reset button. With your vehicle's ignition in the on position but the engine off, find the TPMS reset button. This button is often located beneath the steering wheel or in the glove compartment. Press and hold it until the tire pressure warning light flashes 3 times, then release. Start your car and allow about 20 minutes for the sensors to refresh. For stubborn lights, try an advanced method. Inflate each tire to 3 pounds per square inch above its recommended pressure, then completely deflate them. After deflation, re-inflate all tires to their proper PSI. Another option is a hard reset. Disconnect the positive battery cable, then honk the horn for 3 seconds to drain residual power before reconnecting the battery. If the tire pressure light continues to flash for approximately 1 minute after ignition and then remains steadily on, this often signals a system malfunction or a faulty sensor. In such cases, the issue is beyond a simple reset. It is highly recommended to visit a certified Infiniti service center. A professional technician can accurately diagnose the problem and perform any necessary repairs or sensor replacements.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.